Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back for another plan with me in my Hobonichi cousin for the week of, what's it, March 6th through 12th. And this week, hold on a sec, let me clip that in here. I'm using the leftover stickers from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop, the March sticker sheet. She put out a luxury advent calendar back in October or November, and every sticker sheet in that calendar is a sticker sheet for the month. So I'm trying to use them in both my weeks as well as my cousin. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is actually put some washi up at the top here. And while I was filming my Hobonichi Weeks video, which I did right before this one, I realized how much my nails match with this kit. Oops, move that over. Like, totally not planned, but very cool nonetheless. Like that. I'm gonna put this one right in the middle here. Although I could cut this, right? Yeah, let's cut that. Let's cut it. It's not going to be right down the middle of this one because of the way I placed the washi. So let's do this. Yeah. Oh, I even cut it a little bit too far. Yeah, I cut it a bit too far. Ugh. And the hard thing with the Hobonichi, see, yeah, and this washi as well, is if I rip it up, I'm afraid of I was afraid of ruining the Hobonichi paper, or the Tamale River paper, but that came up really easily. Okay, and place this down. Yes, much better. And place this right on the other side. There we go. Oh, it's my mom's birthday on the 9th. Then I almost wanted to do these up at the top, but opportunity's gone to do that. Sometimes you put a sticker down and then you're like, wait, I wanted to do something else. That's okay. I'll put this washi up here and place one of the leaves just up like that. If you hear like weird growling noises, that is my stomach. Apologize. I am apologizing for that right now. Okay. So I'm going to place this here. Although I know this is going to kind of run into like my workout schedule. So maybe if I move this over just a tad, right there. There we go. And then I'm going to place these down once I'm done this on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and do my sidebar, and then I will figure out where to place the remainder of these stickers. So my sidebar is where I keep track of my sleep as well as my workout. So I'm using the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, and I found that my Winter Blooms paint swatches actually match perfectly with this. So yay. And I want to use this one. So this is my Narwhal Nautilus in the primary manipulation. So pretty. And it currently has the Narwhal Atlantic Blue in here. And I've had this ground down to an extra fine nib, and I love it. I went through a whole phase of wanting like the bolder, broader, well, I say broader, but like more medium nibs. And then after having that platinum, it was like, nope, I want the extra fines again. And I had that nib ground down by Jack Hernandez, who thankfully doesn't live that far from me. So do I use blue? Yeah, let's use the blue. Work out. There we go. Then let's use this one. So this is my Pelican 140, and Monday will be, I'm just going to write upper body. And then Tuesday will be the lower body. And these are workouts that I'm doing from beach body, the 10 rounds workout. Then I do steps. So I think I mentioned this last time, but I do have my own indoor mini stepper machine and I love it. Actually, last night my husband went out for, to play pool with a friend of his, and I'm like, great, I can work out again. You don't hear a lot of people say that, but I love working out on my stepper because I get to watch YouTube videos and do it while I'm, yes, doing something productive. Okay, so that is where I keep track of my sleep score. I always say I'm going to show you the previous week, but they're never properly filled out. Like even that week's not properly filled out, but that's what a properly filled out week looks like. And then here, I feel like I want to put a nice quote. But what quote do I want to put in here? Let me find one. So I found these. These are from According to Allie, from her Homebody Quotes. And I love this one. It's okay to be happy with a calm life. Absolutely. So let's put this down here in the corner. Oh yeah, plenty of room. Oh, I love that. That looks really good, actually. I'm going to put another quote up here because I totally agree with that. Staying in is the new going out. My husband and daughter both love to go out. So I'm actually going to move this so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to cut this in two. But my husband is very much, I mean, he's a bit of an introvert himself, but he also loves going out, whereas I could stay in all day, and so could my son. Oh, how pretty. All right, so let's zoom out. The next thing I'm going to do is use my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to brush letter in the word meals along the bottom Monday through Sunday, and then place a Winter Blooms paint swatch over top to create a header. And then once I am done doing that, then I will actually go into Monday through Thursday, brush letter in the word work and cover with a Winter Blooms paint swatch once again, and use my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to draw in the arrows for my work shifts. So now that the basics of decoration are done, I'm going to go ahead and start adding in things that we need to do on a day-to-day basis. So Monday's to-do list. I normally write down here, which is normally meal planning and ordering groceries. I'm going to try and alternate the days that I'm using each pen. Then Tuesday night is when my husband puts out the garbage for pickup on Wednesday morning. Now let's go into my sticker album here. Oh, where is it? This sticker album is by According to Allie, and this is where I keep track of all of the smaller little icon stickers, which, quick update, I have been working on icon stickers for my shop, and I have done some really cute ones, if I do say so myself, and they're going to fit into literally those two boxes here. I didn't want them bigger than the hourly time section in the Hobonichi Cousin. So those will be coming out in a few weeks. I believe the new release date is going to be either March 16th or 17th, because I am part of a big sale coming up on the 17th of March. I don't know why I pointed there. Garbage. These are cute and teeny too, but I like them smaller. All right, then Wednesday. Nothing that I know of is happening on Wednesday. I totally messed these up. Then Thursday, my husband picks up the groceries. Yes. Pick up groceries. And then Friday, do I have an appointment on Friday? I feel like I'm missing something. It's either, I think it's Friday or Saturday. I have to double check. Hold on, I'm just gonna tidy up here. So I realized, yes, I do have an appointment in the afternoon there. So, oh my goodness, look at all these. Look at all these, and it's just, how do I organize them? But I love the sticker album. I am trying to work through all of the icons that I currently have because I have a lot. I have a lot of icon stickers. I went through a whole, I need to buy all the icon stickers. But they're cute. They are cute. Okay. My head's going a bit like, here. All right. So, let's see. How do I want to do this? I do have, no, I'll do it this way. Okay. So at 10 o'clock, it is the Weight Watchers meeting at Sherwood Park. And then when I get home, I will probably do some filming. This is my hair. So these ones are from Planner Monkey Co. And I'm trying to remember what it is that I need to film, but I'll add it in here as I go. I know that I always have to film my weeks and my cousin, and I have to film all of the new releases that are coming out the following week. Then, oh, oops. Then I have, how do I want to do this? I do have, there it is. I have these appointment teeny tiny stickers from Paper Bits Co. These I love. These are the perfect size for me. Oh my God. Messy, messy, messy. Just trying to find my tweezers because, I mean, how cute is that? Then 1:40, I have a massage. And then immediately after, go pick up the kids. And then after that, after I pick up the kids, we have our weekly bubble tea date. I need to make a little bubble tea icon because they absolutely love it. I wish I had a different, like, drinky icon. There's coffee. Oh gosh, no. Let's just do one of these nice hearts. Okay, let's just do this one. Nice one, nice little afternoon with the kids. They always love it. My daughter actually says to me now, Mom, I can make it through the week because I know that we're getting bubble tea on Fridays after school. I'm like, that's a great way to get you through the week. All right, then put this away. Then Friday night, why do I feel like there's more going on than I think there is? I want to put down that I'm doing laundry, but I think I will be doing laundry Friday night, just with how everything falls. So fold laundry, and then Saturday, my daughter has her 4th skiing lesson. So this coming Saturday, I'm filming this on Friday the 3rd. The Saturday the 4th, which is tomorrow for me, she has her 3rd skiing lesson. So she has 2 more skiing lessons left, which means I can go skiing another 2 times after that. Okay. So I'm just looking at when I can go skiing. So 9:45, Robin skiing. And I probably will end up going with her. Then Sunday is our regular house cleaning day. Let me find my Paper Bits Co sticker of the cleaning girl. I do apologize ahead of time that I feel like I'm all over the place today. I like this one. And I'm going to place it here earlier in the day. So just checking on what we're doing this weekend. Okay. So the usual bathrooms, kitchen cabinets and appliances, my cabs and apps. Then my husband does the vacuuming and the windows. And Henry goes around and grabs all the garbage bins. And then Robin does she helps me with her bathroom, and then she does the light switches and handles. Now, I really need to get them to do more than that, but we'll see. Then Henry has Ninja. So he's gotten to the point where once wall climbing is done, that's it for him with wall climbing. He wants to really just do Ninja, and he's actually missed so much wall climbing this month because he was sick last weekend. The previous weekend it was canceled due to the Family Day holiday, so he's missed so much wall climbing. I feel really bad for him, actually. So 11:30 to 1:30. And the thing is, with wall climbing, because there's a limited amount of walls available to climb on, that's wrong, 12:30. He basically spends a lot of the time sitting around waiting to be able to, oh, I did it again. That Berg. And this is supposed to be, I'm gonna cross it out, Ninja. And no, it doesn't match to the hour, but whatever. All right. So thank you for sticking with me through the mess that was. Now we can put down the last few pieces of deco, because this is the thing with these stickers from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. They're so easy to use in a whole spread, and then you're done. So there's just 2 stickers left. And really the weeks that I use JoJo stickers are the weeks that I try to do a painting in my daily spread. So let's put these ones here. There we go. And I know that's gonna run into that, but I don't mind. And then I'm gonna put one right in the middle. Oh, and I love that. Now, do I want this pointing down? Or no, I want it pointing this way. And I don't really care that I'm covering up the word meals, although when I write my meal in there, that's okay. Perfect. And the sheet is done. That's so satisfying. I love being able to finish sticker sheets. So that is going in my recycling. All right, but that is it for me. It looks really blank because as I fill in the week, I add in stickers, and then it just looks much more filled in. So it's a bit of a memory planner plus a just regular date-to-day planner. And then what I've done is that if there is something that has gone wrong, or it's just, yeah, I don't have whiteout right now. I need to buy whiteout. So what I've been doing is actually taking stickers and covering things that, like this is a little post-it from Paper Bits Co. Using little post-its like that to cover up mistakes. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.